from the mountains high, singing softly as they wander down, bringing life to fields that thirsty lie, hope awakening in the silent ground. Crystal rivers shining in the sun, dancing bright with every morning light, feeding dreams of many living as one, who work the earth from dawn to night. Blessed mountains where the rivers start, ancient keepers of the forest green, may God protect their faithful heart from raging fire and winter sheen. For the day their living waters fade, and time grows strong against their might, the voice of earth will slowly fade, that once sang life in flowing light. Rivers of life, song of the land, blessing of rain sent from God's hand, waters that run free and divine, life that awakens by love's design. If humankind could truly hear the quiet voice the mountains give, no river's song would disappear, and earth would always sing and live. So guard the rivers, guard the land, for water is the world's own breath. And while the mountains